Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to make your Instagram profile public using the Instagram app on your PC, following the latest update. If you've been wondering how to switch your account from private to public on your desktop, this tutorial will make it quick and easy. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main menu. Here, you'll see several icons. Click on the one labeled More. This icon usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots stacked vertically. After clicking More, a new menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you can control all the important aspects of your Instagram account. Inside Settings, find and click on Account Privacy. This section manages who can see your posts and profile details. Now, you'll see an option called Private Account. If your profile is currently private, this option will be enabled. To make your profile public, simply disable the private account toggle. Once turned off, your profile and posts will be visible to everyone on Instagram. And that's it. Your Instagram profile is now public, allowing anyone to view your content without needing your approval to follow you. This is perfect if you want to grow your audience or share your posts more openly. Remember, switching to a public profile means your photos, videos, and stories can be seen by anyone. So make sure you're comfortable with that level of visibility. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your Instagram moments with the world.